Hi, in this video you will learn how to set up Gold Tag Manager in your WordPress site. And for this complete process we need to follow 5 steps. Here I have step. First step, we need to create a Google Tag Manager account. Then we need to WordPress login, install plugin and GTM ID setup, and finally verification. Let's go start. Before starting this video, let me introduce myself. My name is Amin. I'm a top rated digital marketing specialist in Fiverr and Upwork. If you need any help, let me contact us. So please go to the Google Tag Manager account, Google Tag Manager. This is Google Tag Manager. If you search, then you will find this URL, Google Tag Manager. Then we need to create a new account. So we need to set up account name. So I will use our website name, skylogs.com. Then select country, do not use any HTTP. Then select country USA and website URL. Then click the web and create a new one. You have to accept all rules and policy, and yes, this is creating now. Okay, that's very fine. So we need to then we will get GTM ID. Okay, here you can see GTM ID. Just copy this. Okay, our next step, we need to install our WordPress site. This is our WordPress install site. I already log in this site to get to save time. So now we need to install a plugin. So please, first of all, we need to go plugin option and add new plugin. Just right here GTM. Just install this plugin, do active and finally activated. You have successfully installed GTM ID. Just you need to container ID, just paste here, save and continue, share anonymous data. Okay, save and continue and go to the dashboard. Here you can see Google Tag Manager is active. Just we need to select preview mode and paste our website URL here and finally connected. And here you can see finally connected and verification is completed because GTM is found. So in this process so finally verification is complete. In this process you can easily integrate your Google Tag Manager on your website. Thank you so much for this video. If you like this video, let me subscribe my channel and comment below. And if you need any type of help, please contact us. I will help you. No worry, I'm available for remote job. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully this video is useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.